Hi friends, this is your Ganesh. Under known things and unknown facts, today we are going to see about scientific facts about climate change. Climate means the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general for a period of approximately 30 years. Climate change includes both global warming due to human induced emissions of greenhouse gases and the resulting drastic changes in weather patterns. Population explosion and pollution are the two main culprits for this climate change. The largest producer of warming in the greenhouse gases, of which more than 90% are carbon dioxide and methane. Water vapor, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide are also playing role in global warming. Fossil fuel burning for energy consumption is the main source of these emissions. After the Industrial Revolution, the carbon dioxide emission has almost doubled in the recent 200 years. That is from 200 to 400 parts per billion, which ultimately increased the surface air temperature around 1.5 degrees Celsius. The climate change is having heavy impact on ocean system, wealth, food, health, etc. Let us see one by one. With respect to ocean, there is rise in sea level due to the increase in temperature. The climate change impacts on decrease in pH, which affects corals, shellfish skeleton, fish migration, drowning of lowlands, loss of biodiversity, etc. Climate change leads to extreme weather conditions, severe drought, forest fire, storms, tsunami, earthquakes, sudden flood due to cloudburst, etc. A cloudburst is an extreme amount of rainfall in a short period of time, sometimes accompanied by hail and thunder, which is capable of creating heavy flood conditions causing huge damage. This is also due to climate change. Climate change affects agricultural yields due to severe droughts, livestock reduction, reduced milk production, reduction in food production due to waterlogging by floods often. Climate change causes spreading of so many novel infectious diseases and also cause mental problems in human. Switching over to renewable energy production, reducing the use of individual vehicles like cars and bikes, and maximizing the use of public transports, increasing afforestation while decreasing deforestation, maximum recycling of paper and plastics, increased use of soft copy and discouraging use of hard copy, and reducing the usage of plastics. Ultimately, minimum carbon consumption by every one of us will surely have a positive effect in climate change. Let us work together in reducing emission and temperature to save our earth. Thanks for watching this video. Soon we will see in another set of interesting facts. Until then, bye.